I made $9,900 trading SPX options, and I'm going to go through exactly what I did. So yesterday, SPX gapped up from 50.51 all the way up to around 50.68. I was watching it for the gap fill down below 50.65 with targets of 50.50 and then, 50.55 and then 50.50, which is the end of the gap. At the same time, for the downside, I wanted to see ES clear this trend line and its VWAP. And you can see here, 1, 2, 3 touch, cleared the trend line and its EMAs. The EMAs and VWAP crossed, and we started to see a downtrend on ES. So this was a really straightforward, clean, easy play with ES. We got that EMA cross on SPX. I entered at the 10 a.m. candle here once it broke 50.65. I scaled out at 10.04 once it got close to my first profit target at 50.55. And then I scaled out the rest at 10.12. Once it touched that profit target. The reason why I exited the rest of mine is ES was struggling to fully clear 5100 on Bookmap, and there was a little bit of indecision. As you can see here, this is the 10-12 candle push on ES futures. It tried to push below 5100, but then we ended up bouncing. We saw some buyers sitting at 50.90, so I was comfortable exiting the rest of my position as the stock filled the gap. At the same time, when I exited my final position, SPX was approaching this trend line, so I wanted to see it break the trend line for a continuation down. I did end up catching one more play on SPX later in the day, but this was a clean gap fill on SPX yesterday. We did also trade this live on Voice, called it on Voice with the Discord team as well. And you can see all of our member profits, everyone that was able to catch this SPX play with us live on Voice yesterday.